we've got a deceptively simple equation. 1 over a plus 1 over b equals 1 over 13. Our mission, we just need to find the value of a plus b. Now, the only real critical clue we're given up front is that a and b are positive integers, whole numbers greater than 0.
Step 1, we multiply both sides by our common denominators to clear out those fractions. That gives us 13a plus 13b equals a times b. Much, much cleaner. Step 2, we rearrange these terms to group them together. That gives us ab minus 13a minus 13b equals 0. And now for step 3, we're going to do something highly specific, kind of a brilliant move. We add 169 to both sides.
Now, what's really interesting here is you might be wondering, why 169? Like, where did that even come from? Well, it wasn't arbitrary at all. That specific addition is the brilliant little sleight of hand that cracks this entire case wide open. See, 169 is exactly 13 squared, 13 times 13. And because our original equation featured the number 13 so heavily, using its square is literally the magic key to unlocking the whole puzzle. It's that perfect missing puzzle piece that lets us actually manipulate the algebra.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why we did it. By adding 169, our bulky equation, that a, b, minus 13a, minus 13b plus 169, it elegantly and perfectly factors. The left side collapses beautifully into a minus 13 times b minus 13, and all of that equals 169. We basically transformed a super messy problem into a perfectly clean multiplication problem.
Let's move to section 3, revealing the final values, and see how this builds our final solution. So we know that a minus 13 multiplied by b minus 13 equals 169. And since a and b are positive integers, their factored forms absolutely have to match the positive factor pairs of 169. Let's detail that lineup. 169 actually only has 3 positive factor pairs. First pair, 1 and 169. If a minus 13 is 1, then a is 14. And if b minus 13 is 169, b is 182. Add them up, you get 196. Okay, second pair, 13 and 13. That makes a 26 and b 26. Their sum, exactly 52. And the third pair is just the reverse of the first one, 169 and 1, which makes a 182 and b 14, meaning the sum is, once again, 196. So, the crucial point here is the final verdict. When we ask, what is a plus b, the identity isn't just one single unique number. Based on the constraints of positive integers we had, our detective work yields exactly 2 valid answers. The possible values for a plus b are 52 or 196.